Hello everyone. In this video, we will discuss how to implement all basic gates using NOR gate. NOR gate is nothing but universal gate and what are the two-level implementations and NOR functions with examples. First, let us see how to implement an inverter using only NOR gate. That is nothing but you have to use only the universal gate, that is NOR gate. By using NOR gate, you have to implement a NOT gate. So only the NOR gate you have to use here. As we have seen how can we use the NAND gate and implemented all the basic gate functions. In similar way, we have to use the NOR gate and implement all the basic gate functions. So all NOR input pins connect to the input signal. A gives an output A complement. That is nothing but here same as NAND gate, NOR gate also same input you have to give here A, same input, and you will get the output as the expression for NOR gate is A plus B whole complement. So B is also A here, same input you are passing. So A plus A whole complement is equal to A complement. So inverse gate output is A complement. Next, implementing OR using only NOR gates. An OR gate can be replaced by NOR gate as shown in the figure. Here you can see the diagram and here only two NOR gates you are using here. For first NOR gate, inputs are A and B. What is the expression you will get? A plus B whole complement. The output of the first NOR gate will be connected as the inputs to the second NOR gate. So output is A plus B whole complement will be sent as the input to the second NOR gate, and you will get whole complement and complement will get cancelled and you will get the expression as A plus B. So A plus B is nothing but expression for OR gate. So by using NOR gate, we achieved the OR gate expression. Next, implementing AND using only NOR gate. So you have to implement the AND gate function by using NOR gate. So for this is the first NOR gate, you are giving the same input A only you are giving and you will get the output as A complement. For second NOR gate, you are giving the B input, same B input you are passing here and you will get the B complement. And here you are passing the output of the first NOR gate and the output of the second NOR gate as the inputs to the third NOR gate, A complement, B complement, and you will get the output as AB. Output as AB. AB is nothing but expression for AND gate. And this is the representation. How can you can implement by using NOR gate? How can you implement NOR gate? And how can you implement OR gate and XOR and XNOR gate by using the NOR gate? Coming to the two-level implementations, we have seen before the Boolean functions in either SOP or POS forms can be implemented using two-level implementations. That is nothing but we have seen in the last videos that how can the Boolean functions either in SOP or POS forms can be implemented by using AND gate and OR gate we have seen in the last videos, right? So for SOP forms, AND gates will be in the first level and OR gate will be in the second level. We have seen this. And also for POS forms, OR gates will be the first level and the single AND gate will be in the second level. And note that inverters, why we will use inverters? When there is a complement input variables, we use the inverters. And we will show that SOP forms can be implemented using only NAND gates, while POS forms can be implemented using only NOR gates. This is the first one is the SOP function. These are the product terms. This is the Boolean function xz plus y complement z plus x complement yz, and this should be implemented by using the two-level AND gates, two-level gates. That is here product terms can be represented or product terms can be implemented by using the AND gate, right? So here there is a sum plus. So these can be combined by using the OR gate. Okay, simple logic. XZ, this is the product term, can be implemented by using the AND gate. Y complement Z, Y complement Z can be represented by using the AND gate, and XY, X complement YZ can be implemented by using the AND gate. Right, and this can be combined by using the OR gate. And introducing two successive inverters at the inputs of the OR gate results in the shown equivalent implementation. And by associating this, you will get the output function. And how can you implement? By using the NAND gate? Same, replace with the NAND gates, and you will get the Boolean function equivalent gate implementation. And this one implement the following POS function by using the NOR gates. And this is the first one. First level is OR gate. Second level will be the AND gate, right? So these are the sum terms can be represented by OR gate, and product will be can be implemented by using the AND gate. And this can be achieved by using the NOR gate. While adding the NOR gates in the place of the OR gate, you will use the NOR gate. Similar way we implemented by using the NOR gates. There are some other types of two-level combinational circuits which are NAND and NOR, OR and NAND. AND NOR functions, this is the Boolean function, and if complement is in the SOP form, can be implemented by using NAND circuit. This is the NAND and circuit, and by complementing the output we get F, right? Or by using NAND and circuit, this can be shown like this. It can also be implemented using AND NOR circuit, and as it is an equivalent to NAND and circuit. So same, it can be implemented by using the NAND and circuit and also AND NOR circuits. Thank you.